If you're looking for Cricut crafts that are selling like crazy on Etsy right now, you are in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 15 Cricut fall project ideas you'll actually make and that buyers are searching for on Etsy right now. I've personally made all of these projects. I've even sold some of them on Etsy myself, and I'll also share tips on staying competitive as a handmade seller in a world full of print-on-demand shops. Plus, I'll give you a quick DIY tutorial for my coffee weather sweatshirt, one of my favorite fall projects.
Create, organize, style. You're watching Simple Made Pretty.
Before we dive in, let's talk about why fall is one of the best seasons to sell on Etsy. Everyone is shopping for cozy sweatshirts, mugs, home decor, and fall gifts. Print-on-demand sellers are everywhere, but here's the thing, their costs are rising. For example, I checked a print-on-demand sweatshirt like this coffee weather design, and the cheapest base cost was around $26. That means they would have to sell it for $35 or $45 just to make a small profit. As Cricut makers, we have an advantage. If you can find a $5 to $10 sweatshirt on clearance, use vinyl and blanks you already have in your stash, you can sell the same item for less than those print-on-demand sellers and still make a profit. That's the beauty of Handmade. Buyers love knowing they're supporting a real person, a small business, and a unique handmade product. Let's jump into the Cricut fall projects that are selling on Etsy and that you can make too. You can find tutorials for many of these on my blog at simplemadepretty.com, and even some of them have a free SVG file. Here are 15 ideas. A fall words t-shirt like this pumpkin, hayride, bonfire, apple cider shirt. Seasonal word designs are always popular. Next up, we've got my coffee weather sweatshirt. It's cozy, trendy, plus I will show you the quick tutorial later. Up, I created this pumpkin spice junkie t-shirt. Anything with pumpkin spice sells like crazy. Farmhouse signs, you can make things with things like sweater weather, pumpkin patch, or fall is my favorite color. This Hey There pumpkin doormat, I made this probably 10 years ago. It went viral. It is still really popular on Etsy. People love fall themed doormats, and stenciled mats on Etsy make great gifts. Pumpkin spice everything tumbler. Mugs and tumblers are affordable to make and ship, and buyers love them. Bonus, if you don't even have to ship the mug itself, if you are a decal shop and you're just making decals like I did this pumpkin spice everything decal, tiered tray decor. Yes, people still love tiered tray decor, whether they're decorating their shelves, creating a little tray of decor, or just a little side table in their home, or maybe even an entryway table. People are still buying the bundles of DIY handmade decor, like these gnomes with their little personalized beanies. I made them with my Cricut machine, mini little signs, and mini little rolling pins. They are top sellers. A pumpkin wood sign, or in this case, I made a farmhouse tray. You can definitely sell decals like this, so easy in your shop. Farmhouse rustic pumpkins never go out of style. Personalized tote bags. You can use HTV on Dollar Tree or Amazon blanks to make this project. Fall pillow covers, cozy home decor items that Etsy shoppers are always searching for. Thanksgiving table decor, napkin rings, place cards, and vinyl accents for holiday tablescapes. Fabric pumpkins with DIY Cricut iron-on. Again, if you're just selling the little decals, that's a really easy win for your shop because it doesn't take much to ship these out and make them and ship them. Various different size of your decals that people can apply to, whether it's a foam pumpkin, one of those craft pumpkins from Michael's, or a fabric pumpkin like those little ones that you can find at Dollar Tree. Fall embellishments are also selling like crazy. Fall colored cardstock, fall leaves, any layered paper art, shadow boxes, or even 3D pumpkins. Teacher and neighbor gifts. If you're going to make a teacher gift, you might as well make it a fall themed teacher gift. That way it's a little bit more unique for people searching for gifts. Mugs, jars, any personalized signs. Fall is gifting season, so smaller items sell really well. Don't forget farmhouse signs, even a large fall wall signs do really well. And again, if you're just selling the decal, that's a huge win for you. Like this, I love fall most of all. Each of these can be made affordably, especially if you source your blanks wisely. I shared my favorite supply list in my best Cricut supplies and SVGs for fall crafts blog post, and I'll link that below. So let's do a quick project together. My coffee weather sweatshirt. Here's what I used. I used a clearance Walmart shirt. It was $5 when I purchased it. Right now it might be a little bit higher because winter is coming. I used a white or cream heat transfer vinyl, my Cricut Explorer machine, weeding tools, and then the Cricut Easy Press. I cut the SVG, weeded the design, pressed it on, and had this cozy sweatshirt finished in just a few minutes. This is the exact type of sweatshirt that is selling on Etsy for $25 to $40 right now. But because I only spent a few dollars making it, I can sell it for less than print-on-demand sellers while keeping a higher profit margin. And that is the power of Cricut. Here are a few more tips if you really want to stand out on Etsy this fall. Price smartly. Use affordable blanks and stash materials. Add your handmade touch. Buyers love knowing their item wasn't mass produced. And show your process. Record yourself making items, packaging orders, and writing thank you notes. Building your brand. Small touches like tags, stickers, and thoughtful packaging go a long way. Remember, Etsy shoppers love supporting small businesses. Highlight your story, your process, and the heart behind what you make. So those are 15 Cricut fall crafts that are selling on Etsy right now, and they're fun, easy projects you can make too. For tutorials on many of these crafts, visit me at simplemadepretty.com, download the free SVGs there, or join my Craft and Create Club for 500 plus SVGs and seasonal bundles. Don't forget to check my best Cricut supplies for fall posts so you're stocked up on vinyl, blanks, and tools this fall. If you are serious about selling Cricut crafts this fall, these projects are your best starting point. And if you just want to decorate your home or make gifts, they'll bring all the cozy vibes too. Make sure to like, subscribe, and check out my Cricut crafts that sell on Etsy video series and podcasts for even more ideas and motivation. Happy fall crafting and happy selling, friends. Bye.